let's take a quick look at gold. I mentioned that I do have a position open. It's not going to be on this on TradingView because I am in the US, and in the US we cannot trade gold on US brokers, which is a little bit unfortunate, but well, we can, but there's some severe margin limitations and things like that. So anyways, I have it open on another broker, which, let me see, what was my entry? My entry was 1849. So I am long at 1849. 1849.41. 1849.41. So right around here is where I am currently long on gold. My idea here, I risked, I believe, 70 pips. So there, this is a rough idea of what my current position looks like with gold. I don't have a target. Of course, I'm trailing stops. I do plan on trying to bring the stop loss to break even. For those of you guys who are in the VIP group, actually, you know what? That's probably a good chance to just talk about where that trade looks like. So if we go down here, current trade that I'm in right now. So I went long on gold yesterday. Yesterday morning, I basically picked up a gold position, 1849.41, stop loss. Sorry, 80 pips. I said that wrong. 80 pip stop loss there, with the idea being I'm going long on gold at support plus 50% retracement. It looked pretty good, right? And it still does. For now, it's looking fine, looking healthy. And my idea there was basically the uncertainty around Russia and Ukraine has me, in my opinion, the risk to reward is pretty good. I talked about that in yesterday's video, but yes, I am personally long on gold. Please remember, that doesn't mean that you should go take trades. If you hear me talking about a position that I am in or a thought process that I have in the markets, it does not necessarily mean I'm telling you, oh, well, you should go do the same thing, right? Because I can be wrong. I can lose money. I can, make a mistake. The markets are unpredictable in certain circumstances, right? There's no certainty when it comes to trading and investing. So again, that's what we're I always got to leave that disclaimer. We've got news coming here in just a few minutes, you guys. That's why we're live a little bit earlier than usual. We've got CPI numbers coming out from Canada. And of course, we have retail sales numbers coming out from the US. So probably USD will spike to some degree. There will be some volatility, which may be interesting for my position on gold. Is it going to help me? Is it going to hurt me? Well, if it does hurt me, I do have my stop loss in place and it's not going to be bad. I'm going to keep my stop tight, which, by the way, I actually meant to put 80 pips here. I messed that up. So roughly 80. We're just trying to keep tabs on where we're at with the gold trade. But yeah, long on gold for the time being here. We'll see how this one plays out. I got unlucky with gold. I moved stop loss to break even, hit 1851 now. Just grown as soon as it hit, it started to grow. Well, sometimes it happens, man. How can I join the Discord community? Let me grab the free link for you guys. New tab. Let me see if this works for you. We have a free Discord channel. You can join it. I just dropped it in the chat, by the way. If you'd like to join the Discord, I just dropped it in the chat here for you, so you can grab that. There is a free version of the Discord. The premium version is where you can see the trades being taken. But if you join the free version, there's still analysis being posted up by some of our analysts and members and things like that. And then if you join the premium version, you can see the trades being taken by myself and other lead analysts. And there is actually a description link down below. If you'd like to sign up and get that promo code, you can get 20% off. Really, it's supposed to be ending today, and it is. So it's, get it if you want it, but it'll probably be ending soon. I've got to just go turn off the sale, but the sale is ending today, so go grab it. So yeah, which broker do you use? I use all the brokers that I'm interested in are down below in the description. I use Oanda for my currency trading as I'm in the US, and I use HugosWay for my my gold trading. So all of those are linked down below in the description. And just to add, so we've got, here we go. We've got just a couple seconds here before the news. So let's see if we get any sort of volatility here on retail sales. And then we'll take a look at CAD numbers. So here's the spike, you guys. Little bit of volatility coming in. Let's see if I get crushed on camera today. It's not unheard of. Look at that gold kind of making a little bit of a push. So I'm long on gold. First time being long on gold in a long time. I shared this within the Discord. Like I mentioned, all of the trades that I take get shared here. Subscribe to the Discord channel if you haven't already. There's a free one. I dropped it earlier. Let me drop that link one more time. I just dropped the free version inside of the chat here. If you'd like to join that, we share analysis, and we have some free PDFs like how to build a trading strategy, how to test your concepts, stuff that's really, really important. I just dropped it in the chat for you. So make sure to go grab that if you haven't already. But yeah, you can join the Discord there, and would love to have some of you guys in there. But I actually ended up taking, for the first time in a while, a long position on gold. So I'm long at gold 1849, as I mentioned earlier in the stream, just risking 80 pips here. And so let's go back to the fundamental analysis here. So my thought process with being long on gold right now is basically as follows. So I said short-term long bias due to Ukraine and Russia uncertainty. We will see if things worsen or not, but either ways, I believe the reward relative to the risk is worth taking. Right now, Putin doesn't seem to want to back down on NATO, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. I'm not predicting, right? To create the results that I've had. And again, I know that they're not the most impressive results you've ever seen in the whole world, but in order to create these results for me, which I'm very, very happy with, I'm personally very, this is a big improvement in my trading over the time that I've been trading. I've been getting better and improving. That's a year. That's like a year plus of trading data, right? And this is something that I've basically been able to do not by predicting every move the market's going to make. In fact, what I do mostly is I take small stabs at the market. And if I'm wrong, I'm just cutting them. I'm getting rid of them. And when I'm right, I'm trying to let them run. So we'll see if I'm right about gold here. My thought process is this. I'm not trying to predict what's going to happen with Russia and Ukraine. My thought process is if something happens, if something, if tensions worsen, gold will probably rocket higher like it did back here. You probably see a continuation of that craziness. On the flip side, if things subside, we probably just see kind of a move down lower on gold, and I'll take a small, mild loss on that. So in my book and in my trading style, what I'm looking for is opportunities where I think that the reward outweighs the risk. And I'm willing to take that trade because I think that, if volatility, we have a lot of potential move, right? This could come crashing down on the Fed news later, by the way. Right? I'm not here to try and predict everything what the market's going to do. I'm just looking for opportunities where I believe the reward outweighs the risk that I have to take. Because remember, anytime you take a trade, you have to assume risk onto your trading account.
If you're looking for a broker upgrade, we have an amazing offer just for you. Thanks to our partnered broker XAUUSD, you may qualify for a 30% deposit bonus when you sign up using our link in the description below. For example, for qualified clients, a deposit of $1,000 could receive a bonus of $300 in trading credits. They've partnered with us to provide traders with the tightest spreads, lowest trading costs, and a huge range of tradable assets. Markets like forex, commodities, and indices are all available for clients trading with XAUUSD. Remember to use the link in the description to potentially qualify for the deposit bonus offered and to support what we do here at A1 Trading. Please note, this offer is only available to traders outside of the US. For US-based traders, consider checking out some of the other brokers listed in the description below.